I picked up some Brussels sprouts from the market today. I'm gonna go ahead and cook them in my toaster oven. I'm so excited. I haven't had Brussels sprouts in a while. I had some from my asparagus last night. I'm gonna leave it on there. It's still got a little olive oil on there. And then put my Brussels sprouts on there. Put some all I like to do is give them a good wash. So just kind of pull them out of the bag and wash them and set them on my dish there. A little bit of light olive oil on there. And then I'm gonna use the old same stuff here: garlic powder and onion powder. You can do these things however you want. If you just have Johnny's, I don't have any Johnny's right now. If I had Johnny's, I'd just put some Johnny's on there with a little bit of this. So, you know, for me, it's just a matter of making sure they don't stick to the foil or anything like that. So, really, if I had a brush, I could brush some olive oil on there. But I'll go ahead and just kind of get each one in there. These babies are going to be so good. That way too, it'll allow the onion and the garlic powder to stick. Got it set for about 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and crank it up. Check on the cauliflower here. It's still hard. So we did before. Let's do it about 6 more minutes. Just want it super. I'm gonna basically mash it up so I want it as soft as it come along real good. You'll know when they're done. You know, they're not as hard. So these are almost done. I got it on broil right now. Yeah, perfect. These babies are done. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna cool off for a little bit.